Hello students, welcome to my channel Hans Commerce Tutorial for the lectures on commerce, accounts, finance and management. My suggestion to you, before watching the video, please go to the description below my video. You'll find a link there. Take a printout of the problems given in the link and keep it ready before watching the video so that you can be able to understand the problem, the solution and the explanation to get the maximum benefit from the lectures. Thank you. Come on, we'll start the entries for 13th problem. So we have already discussed the 13th problem in the previous session. Now we are starting the journal entries because it is asking you to pass the journal entries and then prepare the balance sheet. The first journal entry, the new partner D, he is bringing in totally 28,770. This 28,770 consists of both goodwill as well as capital. So 14,070 is the goodwill and 14,700 capital. दोनों को मिला लो बैंक अकाउंट डेटा to D's capital, being the cash brought by new partner. Then D's capital account data to S capital, B's capital, C's capital. जो 14,070 goodwill है, that is shared by the old partners in old ratio. Then general reserve, in the balance sheet it is given general reserve 10,500. So this general reserve 10,500 will be shared by all the old partners in old ratio. 6 by 14, 5 by 14, 3 by 14. We'll get this one. Being the general reserve shared by old partners. Now revaluation account data to stock to furniture. It is given the furniture be depreciated by 920. So furniture is depreciated by 920. That stock be depreciated by 10%. Stock का value 29,400 है. तो 29,400 का 10% 2,940. तो फर्नीचर एंड स्टॉक आर डेप्रिशिएटेड. दोनों को ऐड कर लो 3,860. रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट डेटा टू फर्नीचर टू स्टॉक, बीइंग द वैल्यू ऑफ स्टॉक एंड फर्नीचर डेप्रिशिएटेड. Then a new liability has brought in, that is a provision of 1320 be made for outstanding repair bill. एक आउटस्टैंडिंग रिपेयर बिल है, उसको भी लिखना है. तो रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट डेटा टू आउटस्टैंडिंग रिपेयर बिल 1320. That land and building being appreciated up to 59,850. Actually land and building का वैल्यू 45,150 है. तो 45,150 से बढ़ा के 59,850 कर देना है. तो माइनस करके देख लो कितना, 59,850 minus 45,150, you will get 14,700. तो land and building value should be increased by 14,700. Land and building account data to revaluation, being the land and building appreciated. Then goodwill. This is the first problem in which existing goodwill is given in the balance sheet. नया पार्टनर आने से पहले ओल्ड पार्टनर्स जब ABC थे तो वो टाइम पे गुडविल बैलेंस शीट में दिया हुआ है 5,250. So it is suggested that if existing goodwill is there, that should be written off by old partners. तो goodwill will show debit balance. Now we have to credit goodwill. गुडविल को क्रेडिट करेंगे 5,250 से. डेबिट किसको करेंगे? ओल्ड पार्टनर्स ABC. सो एस कैपिटल अकाउंट डेटा, बीस कैपिटल अकाउंट डेटा, सीस कैपिटल अकाउंट डेटा टू गुडविल 5,250. तो इसको ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में डिवाइड कर दिए. 6 by 14, 5 by 14, 3 by 14. We'll get this one. Being the existing goodwill written off. Then last one, a profit on revaluation. After passing all these entries, prepare the revaluation account. तो रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट कहां से? यहां से स्टार्ट है. रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट डेटा टू फर्नीचर टू स्टॉक. तो डेबिट साइड टू फर्नीचर टू स्टॉक. रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट डेटा टू आउटस्टैंडिंग रिपेयर बिल. देन लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग अकाउंट डेटा टू रिवैल्यूएशन. रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट इज क्रिएटेड बाय लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग. तो क्रेडिट साइड ज्यादा है. 14,700 minus 920 minus 2,940 minus 1,320. The balancing figure revenue profit is, revaluation profit is 9,520. ये तीनों को माइनस कर देंगे 14,700 से. तो रिवैल्यूएशन प्रॉफिट आ गया 9,520. अब ये 9,520 को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है बिटवीन द थ्री पार्टनर्स, ओल्ड पार्टनर्स इन द ओल्ड रेशियो. 6 by 14, 5 by 14, 3 by 14. तो 9,520 into 6 by 14, you will get 4,080. 9,520 into 5 by 14, you will get 3,400. 9,520 into 3 by 14, 2,050. तो इसका एंट्री क्या होगा? रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट डेटा 9,520. Revaluation account at 9,520 to A's capital, to B's capital, to C's capital. By passing this entry, the revaluation account will get closed. अब revaluation account खत्म हो गया. अब ये entries भी खत्म हो गए. Now take a pause and copy down these entries because we have to pass some more entries. After this seventh entry, three more entries will come. So you have to leave 3 more entries gap, then you prepare revaluation account. Pass these entries, then leave 3 entries gap, then after that you have to make revaluation account because some 3 entries more it will come after making calculations. So if you have copied, then I'll partners capital account. This we required. Now we'll post the entry. Just now we have passed the entries. Goodwill account, A's capital account data, B's capital account data, C's capital account data to Goodwill. So all the 3 partners should be debited to Goodwill. Just now we have passed the entry. We are posting the entry. That amount is 2,250 and 1,875. Next one is 1,125. Right? And credit side, D's capital by D's capital. This is a Goodwill starting second entry. 6030, then 5025, then 3015, then general reserve. The general reserve are 4,500, 3,750, and last one is 2,250. Revaluation profit. The revaluation profit is 4080. Then we have 3,400. Then last one is 2040. Already we have passed all these entries. We are posting the journal entries. We are posting in the ledger accounts. One account we require, bank account. How much is the bank balance? Opening bank balance. Cash is given 1,890. Now we'll make the main calculations. The old partner's capital should be adjusted according to new profit sharing ratio. So first of all, we calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Working note. Old ratio of A, B and C. Old ratio. The old ratio of A, B, C are 6:5:3. New partner, D's share. How much of D is taking? 1/8. Remaining share 1 minus 1/8 is equal to 7/8. New ratio. Now we'll calculate the new ratio. A. The remaining share is 7/8 into what is the old ratio? 6 plus 5, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6/14. 6/14. So if you multiply it is 7 6 are 42 and 8 into 14 it is 112. B is equal to 7 by 8 into 5 by 14, 35 by 112. C is equal to 7 by 8 into 3 by 14, 21 by 112. Therefore, new ratio of all partners, is equal to 42 by 112 is to 35 by 112 is to 21 by 112 is to, the new ratio is 1 by 8. 1 by 8. Now here the denominator is 112, 112, 112, but here it is 8. So how to convert this 8 into 112? We multiply by 14. Numerator and denominator, if it is multiplied by 14, so 8 into 14 you will get 112. So it will be 42 by 112 is to 35 by 112 is to 21 by 112 is to 14 by 112. 14 ones are 14, 112. So ratio will be 42 is to 35 is to 21 is to 14. Now it is divisible by 7. 7 6s are 42, 7 5s are 35, 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14. This is the new ratio. 6 plus 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 6 by 16, 6 by 16, 5 by 16, 3 by 16, 2 by 16. This is the new profit sharing ratio. For 1/8 share, D's capital is 14,700. It is given in the problem. For 1/8 share, D is bringing 14,700. Therefore, total capital of the firm is equal to 8 into 14,700. So 8 into 14,700, it will be 1,17,600. Total capital of the firm is 1,17,600. How much A's capital should be? Capital of A. Capital of A. A is equal to, so 1,17,600 into, what is the profit sharing ratio of A? 6 by 16. B is equal to 1,17,600 into 5 by 16. C is equal to 1,17,600 into 3 by 16. So you are going to get 44,100. Here it will be 36,750. And last one is 22,050. इतना कैपिटल रहना चाहिए. A's capital, B's capital, C's capital according to the new profit sharing ratio. And this capital I am taking here to balance carried down 44,100, 36,750 and 22,050. By balance brought down 44,100, 36,750 and 22,050. ये क्या इतना कैपिटल रहना चाहिए ए बी और सी का, राइट? अब एक्सेस है या कम है या ज्यादा है, नाउ वी हैव टू चेक, राइट? सो एस कैपिटल आफ्टर एडजस्टमेंट्स, we'll do one thing. You just take a pause and copy down the working note because I'm rubbing the working note to make further calculations. Now, A's capital after adjustments is equal to, now see here, what is how much are the amounts of A's capital credit side? 35,400 plus 6030 plus 4,500 plus 4080 minus 2250. 2250, that is equal to 47,760. So A's capital is having 47,760 after making all the adjustments, but his capital should be 44,100. A का कैपिटल 44,100 रहना चाहिए, but his capital is 47,760. Therefore, cash to be returned to A. Is equal to 47,760 minus 44,100 is equal to 3,660. 3,660 should be returned to A. So entry for this is entry for this is A's capital account debtor to bank. $3,660. I am writing here entry, but you should not write the entry here. I told you to leave some space after the last journal entry. In that place, we have to write down 3,660. A's capital account is debited. Now see, the old partners ABC's capital should be adjusted according to the new profit sharing ratio. तो न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो के सब हिसाब से ए बी सी का कैपिटल इतना होना चाहिए। अब देखेंगे किसके पास ज्यादा कैपिटल है, उसको वापस करना है। तो एस कैपिटल, इन एस कैपिटल वी हैव टेकन द टोटल ऑफ क्रेडिट साइड माइनस डेबिट साइड 2250। सो वी गॉट एस कैपिटल एज 47,760, जबकि उसको रहना कितना चाहिए 44,100। तो इज हैविंग एक्सेस मनी, तो द फर्म शुड रिटर्न बैक 3,660। 3,660 वापस कर देना किसको, ए को। तो एस कैपिटल अकाउंट डेटा टू बैंक, तो एस कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट साइड टू बैंक 3,660 और बैंक को क्रेडिट कर दिया बाय एस कैपिटल 3,660। सेम केस फॉर बी, बीस कैपिटल आफ्टर एडजस्टमेंट, after making all these adjustments, take the total of the credit side minus 1875 minus debit side 1875, तो 40,150, जबकि रहना कितना चाहिए 36,750। तो he is having excess money, the amount should be returned to B is 3,400। entry B's capital account data to bank, तो B's capital account data में to bank 3,400, बैंक को क्रेडिट कर दे 3,400। सेम वे फॉर C's कैपिटल, सी का कैपिटल 22,050, 22,050 रहना चाहिए। है कितना कैपिटल देखेंगे, सीज कैपिटल आफ्टर एडजस्टमेंट्स इज इक्वल टू 14,550 प्लस 3015 plus 2250 plus 2040 minus 1125 is equal to कितना कैपिटल है सी का कैपिटल 20,730। 20,730 is the adjusted balance of C. How much capital C should have? But capital of C should be rupees 22,050। उसका कैपिटल कितना रहना चाहिए 22,050। He is having 20,730, he is having less capital, he is having less capital, therefore amount to be called from C is equal to 22,050 minus 20,730। कितने पैसे C के पास से मंगाना है 1,320। 1,320 एंट्री बैंक अकाउंट डेटा टू C's कैपिटल 1,320। ये ए और बी के पास एक्सेस फंड है, तो दैट हैज टू बी रिटर्न। द फर्म मस्ट रिटर्न बैक टू ए, मस्ट रिटर्न बैक टू बी, बट सी इज हैविंग लेस कैपिटल, उसको रहना चाहिए 22,050, बट है अकाउंट में ओनली 20,730, तो सी शुड ब्रिंग कैपिटल। तो अमाउंट टू बी ब्रॉट बाय सी इज 1,320। तो बैंक अकाउंट डेटा टू सीज कैपिटल, सो बैंक को डेबिट करेंगे टू सीज कैपिटल 1,320। C's capital account credit side by bank 1,320 should be brought by C. That's all. We have adjusted. Now we have to find out the bank balance. Bank balance we have not taken D's capital in the first entry. First entry D's capital account data to bank we have not taken. 28,770 first journal entry, 1890, then 1,320. That's it. Now debit side total you will get 31,980. 31,980. By balance carried down, balancing figure. To balance brought on 24,920. 24,920 is the bank balance remaining. That's it. Now if we take the total of the partners' capital, then partners' capital will show 50,010. Similarly, 42,025. Next one is 23,175. That's it. So capital accounts we have prepared. We have done all the adjustment. Simply take a pause and copy it, then we'll make balance sheet. It's a very tedious problem, time consuming problem. But if you practice it, you can be able to reduce the time. Now you have to remember this capital. These capitals will be taken in balance sheet. See the balance sheet. By seeing the old balance sheet, we can make the new balance sheet. Creditors, bills payable, we have not changed. Then outstanding repair bill. This new liability has been brought. That is 18,900. Then 6,300 and 1,320. Then we have capital accounts. A, B, C, D. New capitals. 44,100, 36,750, 22,050 and 14,700. Here it is cash. Just now bank account we have prepared 24,920. Then debtors 26,460. Then we have stock 29,400 minus 2,940. It will be 26,460. Then furniture 7,350 minus 920. It is 6,430. Last one is land and building. Land and building is 45,150 plus 14,700. 59,850. That's all. The total is 144,120.